Hi, my name is Ada, and today I'm going to show you a product from Seacret. M4 Mineral-Rich Magnetic Mud Mask. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the spatula to apply a thin layer of the mask onto a clean face. After we've finished applying the mask and we've waited with it for 5 minutes, we take the magnet and we cover it with a plastic cover, and we start taking it off by putting it close to the face, from the forehead and down to the cheekbones, into the nose and outside. After we remove the mask from the face, we start massaging the remaining product into the skin to infuse the ingredients of the mask. And that's it. We have glowing, shiny skin.